Good afternoon, guys. We are back at Hersheypark today. Wanted to try to ride some stuff that we didn't ride last time and see what else is new here. And today I've got my mom with me. So let's go inside and see what's new.
Accommodate all of our guests, Hersheypark has implemented a clean air commitment.
Here we go. We're about to go in. It is definitely a slow day here. The parking lot was virtually empty, and even at the entrance here, it's pretty empty in here. I mean, it is a weekday, it's Thursday, and they are calling for storms later today, so I'm hoping that the crowds will be pretty small today. I may have to take that back about the crowds being small today, because passing by comment now is there's more people in there than there was on Sunday. We are going to head to the Super Duper Looper and see what the wait time is like for that. And sadly, Skyrush is still closed down for maintenance. I'm not sure how much longer it's going to be closed for, but hopefully it's not for the entire season. I'd be pretty sad if it is. Going up the stairs to Super Duper Looper. Looks like it's going to be a walk-on. Got off Super Duper Looper, and again it was super smooth, so I really like the new trains that they've got on there. I don't know how new they are, but they're new to me at least, and it was definitely a lot more smoother than it's been in previous years. So now we are going to get something to eat because we are starving. So we're going to grab a quick bite to eat at the Overlook food court and see what kind of stuff they have here. So I just got chicken tenders and fries because I am basic. My mom got a salad because she is healthy and smart. Be like her. Eat healthy, not like me. I eat like crap. That must be a rain magnet because there's another line of storms coming, but looks like this is the only line of storms we've got coming, and the rest of the day looks more promising. So hopefully this passes by pretty quick. My mom just pointed out my food's always all brown.
All brown. And
hers is always all green. So before this little rain band hits us, we're going to try to get onto the Great Bear. Hopefully they don't shut it down on us. On second thought, we're going to wait on Great Bear because the wait is pretty long right now, so we'll come back to that later. And it looks like the Speedway is closed down right now. I'm not sure if it's closed for the day or for maintenance. I'm not sure. And it's raining once again, but this should last pretty quickly. I think it's just a small wave of rain that's hitting us, so hopefully like another 10 minutes this rain will be gone. So it looks like Storm Runner is closed for right now, and I hope that they open it later today because I really want to go on this ride. Well, this is promising. There's people in line for Storm Runner, so let's see if they'll let us in or not. So Storm Runner is still closed down, and they're waiting for some more rain to pass by before letting people back on to that. But we saw Trailblazer do a test run, so we're going to head back that way and see if we can get onto that. So we just got off Trailblazer, and as my mom calls it, it is a classic disappointment. It's a cute little family ride though. I enjoy it. It's a little bit shaky. We rode the back row and it was a little bit shaky, but it is what it is. My mom knows where it's at. She found the one dry spot under a tree. Whose idea was this? Ow. Right there. My mom is falling asleep. One more again. It's that last bottom hill. Well, ow. That was painful, but a fun kind of pain, I guess. I don't know why you laugh so much when you're in pain, but that was fun. So I just checked the Hersheypark app and it says Storm Runner is open, so we're going to head to that direction and see if we can get in line for that. So we just got off Storm Runner and I loved it, as always. That launch is always just takes my breath away. My heart stops every time. But yeah, we want to see if we can get on the Great Bear next. Here we go, Great Bear. Just got off Great Bear, and again, loved it as always. I like to ride the back row in that one because you get whipped around like crazy. We're going to try one more ride for today. We're going to go on Comet because I could not go on it last time because it shut down right before I got on. But it's sunny and bright out, so there's no reason for it now. Hopefully. A very rare sight indeed. Practically no wait for the Comet. We are walking right on. Maybe hard to tell in the video, but there are some test dummies on the trains for Skyrush, so hopefully that means that they will be opening it soon. Here's a better view of the test dummies on Skyrush. Hopefully soon they'll be opening up. finally made it back on the Comet, and it was fun. We rode front row this time. I think that's the first front row coaster I've done all season. I lied. I did Wildcat first row. So we are going to go to a swing, I think, and see what the wait time is like for that. Then I think we are going to call it a day here. We are very close to that support beam. Before we depart, we are going to get some kettle corn. I got it. Got my kettle corn. So we are heading out of the park for the day. We are going to head back to the campsite and relax for the rest of the evening. And we're also got to go pick up the dogs too from the parking lot. I'm not sure if this was here last time I was here, but I see that there's part of a building being built there. I have a feeling that that's probably part of the new Chocolate Town, but I don't recall seeing that here last time, so that's something new. So if you don't know, the parking lot is the kennel service that Hersheypark offers, and it's available at the old outdoor Hershey Stadium, and I'll show you where it is. And you can't beat it. It's only $10 per dog, which is really good, comparing that a lot of other kennels cost a lot more than that. Aren't they happy to see us? And this is where the parking lot is, right outside the stadium here. The entrance is all over there. Alright, so we are heading out to the car and we are going to call it a day here. So hope you all enjoyed the video and I will see you guys in the next video. See ya!